Good morning, children. Do you know some amazing fact about cat? The cat with around 100 different breeds. Domestic cats come in many shapes and colors. They are very light-footed and are able to leap 7 times their body heights upward. All that exercise make them tired and they are rest about 17 hours a day. So today I will tell you how to draw a cat step by step. In step 1, draw a grid, equal squares 3 across and 4 down. Draw L shape backward and join both corners with a curved line and draw a circle right side of the grid. Step 2. Add some point shapes to the head shape for the ears. Draw a small circle inside and near the bottom of the head circle. Draw an oval leaning on an angle under the head circle. This will become the chest. Join the chest to the bottom right corner of the body shape. Check that everything on your drawing is the correct position and move on to the next stage. Step 3. Draw leaf shapes for eyes inside the head circle and add the pupils. Draw a nose near the top of the small circle inside the head circle. Notice the mouth is a W shape. Draw some lines to show the back leg curving. Draw a line for the front leg and paw at the bottom. Add the other front paw outside the body shape. Draw in the back of the rear foot and the tail curving around. Step 4. We will erase unwanted lines and use black sketch for outlining. And now we will use poster color for coloring. That's all. Thank you.